Hey, King Arthur, look, Mod Squad, cut him off. Look, Mod Squad, cut him off, King Arthur. Bye, Arthur, Mod Squad. Bye, Arthur, Mod Squad. Aloha.
Bye, 121. Hey, Mod Squad. Mod Squad, what's good? How you doing, Mod Squad? Come on down.
All right, back, King Arthur. Just want to say you have a good evening. Have a good evening, King Arthur, Mod Squad Mobile. King Arthur, Mod Squad Mobile. Have a good evening. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad, you be right guys on that side, man. No doubt about it. I wonder when you will come there. I wonder when you will while all things are rolling come there. I knew you all would come out here.
Right back. Yeah, I just pulled over on the side of the road, man. I just pulled over on the side of the freeway just to say hello there. Take a King Arthur, Mod Squad, no location. I just kind of pulled the car over. Aloha.
Yeah, Mod Squad, you just got to cruise over on that side just to see hello how to get on that side. Be careful, kind of bigger. Don't you make guys come that really and down there. Don't tell us over that kind of bigger.
410, man. Okay there, King Arthur. You take care, my friend. Enjoy the day. We'll check with you guys later. Mod Squad got to do some more 10-12ing. Mod Squad got to do a little bit more 10-12ing. Mod Squad gone. Aloha.
I'm going to sit back here and see a Mod Squad and the minute off and the horn and the King is gone.
Right there, King. Right there, King. Look how I clean your receiver. Look how I clean your receiver. Take it there, King Arthur. Mod Squad gone.
Hey, Mod Squad, I clean right. You like my receiver clean. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Stonewall Jackson. Stonewall Jackson, take care. Stonewall Jackson, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Have a good night.
Hey, Mod Squad, RangerWalker checking in the Mobile.
Bye, RangerWalker. Bye, RangerWalker. Bye. 707, bye, 707, Mod Squad. Okay, RangerWalker, you go get him, RangerWalker, 707. If I miss somebody, sorry about that. Mod Squad, Honolulu, trying to do it on the side of the road. Aloha. Bye 707, you got it. 707, Mod Squad, 707, Aloha. Hey, Mod Squad said have a good night. Mod Squad with the have a good night time. Mod Squad Honolulu, Mod Squad Honolulu. Mod Squad, Honolulu, wake them up. Aloha. Right back. SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake. Aloha. Right back. You're going to take SwitchBlade out of the lake. You're going to take SwitchBlade and drag them around the lake. Mod Squad, right back. Aloha. $410 on that. Well, I tell you what, man, ain't no SwitchBlade when you do it like that. Ain't no SwitchBlade when you be dragging them around the lake. Mod Squad, Honolulu, read the mail.
tell him at least you think he'll skip across the water like a rock that way?
I think he will. I think he'll skip around there. He'll skip around in that water there at 60 miles an hour. He sure will there, Mod Squad. Right back. And I'll see you too there. You guys take care, man. Mod Squad gonna back read the mail and see what's happening out there in the USA. Mod Squad, Mobile, cruising downtown Honolulu. Catch you later. Now we out. And Mod Squad did that. Mod Squad did that. That's what happened. Mod Squad gone.
I'm still reading the mail, Mod Squad. I'm still reading the mail.
Right back, right back, right back. Okay, man. Take care. Is that you again, KingArthur? Take care, KingArthur. Enjoy the day. Mod Squad gone.
Bye-bye.
You got them all down, man. You take care now. We out. Bye, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, your turn, SwitchBlade. Bye. Okay, I'll see you, man. I see you there. No condition, no condition. Mod Squad, no condition. Aloha. Bye, 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 bye.